Hello guys, this is me Zulfar Sen and you are watching my YouTube channel. From the title you can understand that what kind of topic we are going to discuss in this video. In this video we are going to know how to send a SMS to somebody anonymously, which is international. You can say this message to anybody internationally. So without wasting your time, let's start our main topic. First of all, open the web browser and then type here free SMS. Then go here, click here. Then at the top you are finding here send free SMS. Now choose the country where you have to say send the message. As I am going to send on a Pakistani number, so I will select Pakistan and this is my number. Okay, and then I will type here a kind of a message, random message. It's all up to you what kind of message you want to send to somebody, but here the character limits, and there here on the bottom you find here a verification code. You have to verify here Y6R and the last 3. Okay, then you will find a send option. I think I did a mistake in this number. Not really. I did here mistake. You do not have to include 0 here. Okay, so verify it again. Capital U, capital Y, capital Z, capital F, 6, 7 and 5. Now verb is fine. Now send it. I'm going to send message on this number which is currently on this device. Let's wait. Yeah, you can see here that we found this message which is coming as I sent here. You can see if you compare this that we have sent here, you can see that we have sent this message. Okay, on this using this website you can send daily up to 3 messages for free if you have internet connection available, but if you don't have, then sorry, you can't send any message. For sending message you must have an internet connection because you need internet for browsing and it works on browser. So hope this video is quite useful for you, and my request is that don't use this method for the wrong purpose like harassment and any other kind of. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, then don't forget to hitting the subscribe and like button and share, and I will come in the next video with the interesting topic like today. So be connected through the subscribe and see you in the next video. Have a great day.